Hey good people, it's Tina from Pit Stop Kitchen and Garden, and today, as promised, I am doing part 2 of the tomato harvest. So it looks like all of my potatoes have died back out of these 3 bags, and now we're gonna just see what we get. Good, bad, ugly. I don't know what I'm gonna see, but we're gonna see, right? You know, we should have probably dumped this in a bucket. Ladies and gents, oh my gosh, it'll look like I got nothing. Nothing. Yo. Shoot, I thought I was gonna actually do better. Let's see if we can dump this in a bucket.
Go.
Okay, so I got 1, 2, 'This is, I think that's the seed potato, maybe. I just saw something. Yeah, I just put that back in there. I'm guessing these 2 are the seed potatoes because they have something coming out of them. Well, guys, this didn't look too good. These are crispy. Maybe I waited too long. Well, maybe my garden group was right. They said that it was getting too hot and that you would probably have to harvest them while they were still green. And I'm guessing that they were right. So, magic of YouTube, Mr. P just put the stuff in the barrel so that I could dump it again. Oh. I should have just checked in here. Too late for that. I should have done that though. I should have checked. I should have checked before. I should have just dumped this in the barrel. One whole lot harvest so far. Alright, let's see. I don't know what these 2 are supposed to be. I don't want to mix it with that. Well, guys, I do not think I had any success with potatoes. two more. Oof, that's mushy.
Here.
What road are we recording?
Sorry.
That's mushy too. Look at this. Get a zoom in on this. So this must be what they were talking about, that it was so hot that you were gonna get rotten potatoes or mushy potatoes. So this is obviously what they were talking about. So next year, I learned from this experience. Next year, I'll probably start planting my potatoes in December or early January. But I said that I would let you guys know how it works. So at least if you live in this kind of climate, you'll know that once it starts getting like in the high 90s or consistently over 100, that these tomatoes are probably not going to make it. And I know that I was told already, but sometimes, you got to do it for yourself. So then you know it. What Gigi say? When you grow it, you know it. So now I know that what they told me was correct. Let me try one more and see what I get. So this is bag number 3.
I see something.
Oh, well, this looks promising. Yeah.
One fell, I think. I heard something hit this. One fell.
I see it. Thanks. Well, that looks like that's about it. So I wonder if I should just put these back in or save these for next year, because they look like they're getting sprouts out of them. But so between those 2 bags, between those 3 bags I should say, I got more than I did when I had that big 27-gallon tote. So here it is, guys. At least I got a harvest. I did get a harvest. And next year I know better. When you know better, you do better, right? So I'll plant earlier. And that's what we got. I'm out here sweating like crazy. It's like 107 degrees right now. So I'm about to go back in the house. We ain't want to stay out here too long, but I did want to get these out of the dirt, and this is what I got. If you're still with me, thanks for watching, and take care.